In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create poll in YouTube with images. So let's get started. First open YouTube app on your mobile. Just log into that account where you want to create a poll. Now tap plus icon at the bottom bar. From here, tap post option. Now tap this graph-like option on the left. Next, tap image. As you can see, we have sample poll with two options. And here you can add two images. First, tap at the top of the options to add a question that you wish to ask to your subscribers. Next, tap on image and just select the images from your mobile gallery. Tap option 1 and option 2 to add required text. You can even add more options by tapping on add option. Once you add all the data, you can tap clock icon to set the schedule if you want to create a post on schedule. You can tap hourglass icon to set the expiry as well. Once everything is done, tap post at the top. And your poll will be published to everyone. And viewers can vote using this poll. So that is how you can create a poll in YouTube with images. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.